What's good, chat niggas? We back with another video and shit for your loads of power analysis. Let's get straight into it. But today we're gonna be talking about law number 29. Alright, and it is titled Plan to the End. It says when planning power tactic moves, it's important to plan up to the end. This doesn't mean plan to see your dreams. This means coming with a solid plan and then creating plans according to the possible outcomes that could happen and then we act. But we shouldn't plan too much, but we also shouldn't act without a plan too. How many times have you been told there's a difference between um planning and daydreaming, you know what I'm saying? You can daydream your goals, you know what I'm saying? You can daydream about how you wanna get your goals, you know what I'm saying? Like for example, I can daydream that I'm gonna be with this chick and I'm gonna be saying some funny shit and she gonna resonate with it. But then a plan will ask, how did you get there? How you know she's gonna resonate with this? What if she doesn't resonate with this? You see what I'm saying? And that's the importance of planning. Yeah, but like if like rigid, that's it. That's what rigid is. If you plan too much, you're rigid. You know what I'm saying? You become rigid, and with your rigid, you can adapt to life's obvious and inevitable setbacks. You know what I'm saying? Or not all the time. Things go out to plan. So that's why you don't plan too much because you become rigid. But if you plan too little, you got no plan. Everything becomes a new issue. Everything becomes a new obstacle for you, and you don't know whether or not you should let the thing be or actually solve this problem, right? So yeah, that's the importance, you know what I'm saying, of like in planning and shit. Like um, you just gotta like make sure like you gotta plan enough, plan enough. All right, and yeah, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Holler back at your boy. Plan properly, and I'll see you in the next last video. Shit.